In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the background color of a Canva template. Now, this is actually really easy to do. I have this template just here, so let's go ahead and change the background color. Now, all that we want to do is simply click onto the background of that template. Now, if we look here, this actually has a lot of elements. If we click on there, we're not clicking on the background. So what we want to do, if there's elements in the way, is just slightly move them out of the way so we can get to the back of that background. Then all we have to do is simply click onto that background, and then we're going to see this little circle color, and that's going to be the color of said background. Now, if we click on there, we're going to have a lot of different options. We can use gradients, which are right down the bottom. So if we click on one of them, it's going to change the gradient. We can also play around with that by, once we've clicked onto a gradient, we can click onto the little plus icon, and then we can add different colors to this gradient just here, and we can change the gradient style. Now, we can also use any of the default colors just here, just like that, or we can even add our own color if you know the hex code color. So if we come to here, this little plus icon, if we click on there, this is the hex code color of this color. If you know the hex code color, you can just put that in here instead. So in fact, let's just come over to here and let's take this hex code color. Let's come back and let's plug that in there, and it automatically changes. Now we can also just use this color palette just here. To change the color, we can use this bar. So let's say we wanted a green. We can choose the green, and then the different styles of green as well, just like that. Now there is also one last option, because if there's a certain color in the template which you want to use, it's going to show up here in photo colors. Then all we have to do is simply click onto one of them, and it's going to change the color just like that. So nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to change the background color of a Canva template. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.